April 16th, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. What we're going to be talking about is I'm going to put a Dupont water filtration system on my kitchen faucet sink. And there's not really too much to this. It actually just connects to the neck. You just tighten it on, you put the filter on. I'm going to show it. I don't know if they make these anymore. They do carry the filters for them. They still have to carry the filters at different places for them. But the one that I'm going to put on here is brand new. I found on eBay. And these things really did good. Now, some of those other ones out there, I think a Home Depot, I can't remember what brand. I want to say something, what is it, Brian or something like that. The thing of it is, they don't filter as many elements out of the water as these ones that DuPont did. They filtered a lot more. These things were really good. But I'm going to show it here real quick. We're going to put it on, see how it does. I got several other videos. I got several other things I'm working on right now. Going to be showing also how to check a battery using like an OB2 and find out if this battery is good or not. Because I think it got me a bad battery too. Anyway, so hold on, guys. Okay, guys, so this is a brand new one. And it had all the bells and whistles, little hookups that you need to put that on. And it has a filter inside. Now, I just bought another filter for this other one. And it's not the filter, it's basically the other one just got clogged from the faucet, from all the gunk and stuff that comes through the water and stuff. And there's actually no way to get this actually cleaned out. So we're going to replace it. And I want to show that. So hold on. So here's the other one right here. I'm going to be taking off. I'm going to show you what it does right now. Now that's running fine. You can see it's dripping, the O-rings leaking a little bit. It's got pressure, but I'm going to turn this on. And that's not coming out very quick, guys, as you can see. It should be coming out a lot more. It's leaking here a little bit more because there's pressure, too much pressure buildup. So hold on. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. I went ahead and took this other filter out that I had. I wanted you guys to see this. And basically, those ends just connect in. And that just drops down in there. Like that. And then you just put that cap on and screw the cap on. That's all you have to do. I wanted you guys to see that. So hold on. And this is what the new one looks like. So let's turn it on. And then that's a lot quicker and faster, isn't it, guys? Now, when you put these on, if you do get a hold of one of these, you want to let it run for about a minute. Because even some whatever they use, like the charcoal and the other stuff to filter, some of that stuff will come out. It'll look kind of black at first, kind of brown, and then it all clears up. So you want to run this for at least a minute or so, and then you're good to go, guys. Anyway, I got another video coming. It'll be on testing a car battery. You guys might find it interesting. Anyway, eyes open. Have a good one.